Welcome to another episode of the Love Hub, where we give love and relationship advice to women. In this video, we're going to discuss 8 kissing secrets that guys won't tell you. For topic requests and shoutout requests, please like this video, subscribe to the Love Hub channel, and comment down below. Let's start the video. Secret number 1. Show, don't tell. One of the kissing secrets that a guy won't tell you is when you want to kiss him, show him, and don't ever tell him. Action speaks louder than words. By showing it, it's like telling him indirectly that you do want to kiss him and you are very attracted to him. In fact, guys love it when women initiate because it's something that rarely happens. You don't want to open the sexual tension by saying it. You touch him and show some gestures that you are feeling it. You communicate directly by kissing him instead of telling him that you want a kiss. Secret number 1. Show them, don't tell them. Actions speak louder than words. If you want to kiss him, just go for it. You don't need his permission, especially if you are in a loving, committed relationship. Secret number 2. Your breath. By breathing, you can tell someone if he or she is attracted to you. If you are having a hard time or you feel slightly suffocated, it is because you are sexually attracted to them, and guys like that. By simply gasping, you can tell that someone wants to kiss you, but he or she doesn't want to tell you. He or she wants you to recognize it by his or her way of breathing. And of course, you must have a pleasant smell of breath because your partner won't wish for a second kiss if he or she doesn't smell something that isn't nice. You'd want to make sure before kissing him that you have a nice, clean breath. Make sure to brush your teeth beforehand, not to eat anything that will give you bad breath, or at least have some breath mints before you go in for that kiss. Secret number 2, your breath matters, and so does your personal hygiene. Secret number 3, momentum. It is hard to build the momentum whenever you want to kiss someone. So if you and your kisser build some tension, don't ever break it. Just enjoy the moment and let your lips and your body do the feeling for you. Show him that you really want to kiss him and that you want him in general. Don't ruin the moment by overthinking. Keep calm. Don't overthink. Don't be too nervous and too anxious. Relax your mind because if you are too occupied or too self-conscious, your kisser might feel it too. Secret number 3, keep the momentum going. Secret number 4, maintain eye contact. Eyes never lie. We all know that eyes are very powerful and one of the tools that we can use to seduce another person. If you want to feel the momentum with your partner, do eye contact whenever you are kissing him, right before, but of course while you're kissing him, close your eyes. It adds to the tension between the two of you. A little smile during the kiss won't hurt you. It can also mean that you are enjoying the kiss with him. So if you want your guy to kiss you more, do eye contact with him during the kiss. Don't overdo this one though. You can also close your eyes to make it feel more sensual and more sincere. Secret number 4, maintain eye contact before the kiss. If you want it to be super intense, you can keep your eyes open while kissing him, but that will be uncomfortable for most people, as usually we associate closed eyes with someone who is feeling very sincere about their kiss. Secret number 5, don't just kiss with your lips, use your hands as well. Use your hands by touching your man. Can add some sexual tension that you are building up. During the kiss, don't make him feel that you are nervous. Relax and enjoy yourself, because as you enjoy yourself, he will enjoy it even more. Use your hands to let your mind be free. explore his body or his face. By touching him, it also means that you want more of him, and it is also a go signal, a green light for him to touch you all over your body too. In this way, your guy would feel that you want something more than just a kiss. It's like indirectly saying that you are enjoying what you both are having and doing, and that you want to explore more of each other. Secret number 5, use your hands aside from your lips. And secret number 6, give a few gentle bites. A little bit of bite when you and your guy are kissing can add some sexual tension. It can build something that you both can enjoy and can provide a little bit of variety. It also means that you are seducing him and he is seducing you too. It can be a huge turn on for a guy. A little bit of biting. Just a little, gentle enough so that it won't hurt, but a little hard so that it turns him on as well. You can bite the bottom part of his lips, and if you do it correctly, no doubt that he will want more of you because it sends him a signal that you are so turned on and want him just as badly. Secret number 6, bite a little. Secret number 7, kiss elsewhere. Not all kissing is about the lips. You can make out with him too by kissing some parts of his body as well. You can simply tell this foreplay because of kissing some parts of his body, you are building a sexual tension between the two of you. You are feeling him and him to you. A few cheek kisses can make a huge turn on. It can be cute, but if you want something daring, try to kiss his ear and breathe into it. For sure, it will send shivers down his spine. Secret number 7. Don't just focus on his lips. Know that you can kiss him anywhere else around his body. Secret number 8. Get your body into it. Don't be a robot. Learn how to move your own way, but don't overdo this one. Just simple. Let your body get into it. Dive into the tension that you are feeling. It can also add some indirectly saying that you do want more of him. You are enjoying the makeout session that you have with him. Being still is boring. The whole mood might be ruined if you don't do some movements like mirroring and copying what he's doing to you. Always remember, if you want your guy to enjoy making out with you, do these tips and surely he will want you more, and you will also get more of the makeout sessions and the hot lovemaking sessions that you know that you want and ultimately deserve. Secret number 8. Include your whole body. Get your whole body into it, and it will make for a pleasurable time for both of you. Thank you so much for watching this video and for subscribing to the Love Hub channel. For topic requests and shoutout requests, please like this video, subscribe to the Love Hub channel, and comment down below. Again, thank you for watching our video till the end, and we hope to see you in our future The Love Hub videos.